Opening a technical chart without first establishing an asset's fundamental reality is a reliable way to drain a trading account. We are applying this methodology to two distinct case studies: White Fiber, ticker WYFI, and Wendy's, ticker WEN. They represent opposite ends of the fundamental spectrum. WYFI is a small-cap tech stock burning cash, carrying a negative PE ratio and negative earnings per share. Wendy's is a mature, heavy-asset consumer stock, trading at a PE under 10, anchored by a massive 7.42% dividend yield. Despite their obvious differences, neither stock passes the strict baseline required for long-term growth investing. Neither maintains a return on equity above 15% alongside 20% revenue growth. Because these fail the test for passive, long-term holds, our engagement must be strictly tactical. The underlying nature of each asset dictates the precise technical algorithm we will use to get in and to get out. Trading a high-volatility, negative earnings tech stock requires a pure momentum approach. This daily chart for WYFIY shows explosive price action on the left, scaling from 1051 to a peak of 4687. It recently pulled back, but remains structurally sound above the 50 and 200-day moving averages. What we are watching now is a wide-ranging, high-level consolidation box. The stock is oscillating horizontally, testing the boundaries of its current range. Look at the volume indicator at the bottom. As the price action moves sideways, the daily volume bars steadily contract. This indicates a healthy washout of weak hands, rather than panic distribution by major holders. The secondary indicators back this up. The MACD and KJD have flatlined near the midpoint, resting as they wait for fresh capital to serve as a catalyst. Because WYFIY lacks an earnings floor, a daily breakout would require a stop loss so wide it destroys our risk-reward ratio. To keep our exposure tight, we shift to micro timeframes, looking for the exact minute-by-minute pivot point where institutional momentum overrides local volatility. This 15-minute timeframe for WYFI reveals the internal mechanics of that daily consolidation. The price is trapped in a volatility box, capped at $40.75, with a hard floor at $35.71. Down below, KDJ and RSI subcharts remain stuck in the middle of their ranges, showing no clear directional dominance. This establishes a strict rule. Because white fiber lacks fundamental value to act as a safety net, attempting to anticipate the bottom of this box, buying on the left side of the action, is statistically disastrous. The only valid entry algorithm here is patience. We require a confirmed high-volume breach of the $41 psychological resistance. That breach is the mechanical proof that institutional momentum has returned. Now we pivot to Wendy's. Consumer blue chips lack the explosive growth needed for vertical breakouts. Instead, they tend to oscillate within predictable value ranges. In this environment, chasing a breakout often means buying the local top. So the strategy shifts to pullbacks, capturing the stock when it's temporarily undervalued. A massive volume influx surged the price to $9.45, before a smooth decline to $7.55. That current level is a critical technical junction. It represents a direct confluence between the daily moving average support and the Bollinger Band midline. This establishes a classic golden pit neckline test. The heavy resistance capping the stock's long downtrend has flipped to become its new structural support. As the price of Wendy's drops towards this support level, its fixed dividend payment actually represents a higher and higher percentage yield. This increasing payout creates a mathematical limit on the downside, a gravitational floor too attractive for income-seeking institutions to ignore. On WEN's 15-minute chart, we hunt for micro anomalies. Look at the extreme right. A massive 553,000 share volume bar printed just before the weekend close. Smart money stepped in to defend the lower Bollinger Band, instantly triggering a violent upward KDJ golden cross. Extreme localized volume paired with indicator resonance is an undeniable footprint of institutional accumulation. It confirms that the pullback algorithm is ready to execute. The most perfect multi-period technical analysis is useless if human emotion, specifically fear or greed, is allowed to handle the execution. We remove the human element using a bracket order. This mechanized algorithm simultaneously deploys an entry trigger, a profit target, and an unconditional stop loss. For the white fiber momentum setup, if the price crosses $41, the system buys a 10% position. The hard stop is locked precisely at $35.71. For Wendy's, we execute a buy at or below $7.60 for a 15% position. The stop loss is pegged directly to the macro capitulation floor of $6.07. These algorithms enforce strict portfolio risk rules. Total market exposure is capped at 30%, and no individual position ever exceeds 15% on the initial entry. Averaging down on losing trades is mathematically prohibited. Systemic success requires aligning fundamental triage with multi-period technical resonance, establishing the exact parameters, and then surrendering execution entirely to the machine.